Hello friends, welcome. When it is 0 1, then the output of this is 8 volt. When it is 1 0, then the output is 9 volt. And when it is 1 1, then the output is 12 volt. So you can go and you can find the data sheet, you will get it output. So as we required 5 volt everywhere, so the output of 3.7 volt battery is given to this, and output of the DC to DC step up will, we can get a 5 volt over here. Okay. The next is amplifier regulator. So this is a type of a class D stereo amplifier over here, which has got a minimum voltage of 3 volt and the maximum of 5 volt. Okay. It has got a two channel output which has got a 3 plus 3 watt RMS output. Okay. So but when we are getting this 3.3 output RMS, when the input is 5 volt over here, if the input is between 3 to 5, means less than 5 volt, it won't give the full output over here. That's why we require the 5 volt as the input to this circuit. Okay. And this amplifier has got three inputs, that is left, ground and right of output of the Bluetooth. The next important is a Bluetooth chip. It is a receiver type of 3.0 Bluetooth chip over there. It also works on between 3 volt to 5 volt over here. But if you want a good range of it, so it is already mentioned over here. You can see here it is a mention here. It is a 5 volt over here. It should be mentioned. So it has got three output, that is left output audio, then ground and right output over here. It works on 5 volt, already mentioned over here. And it has got a good range of near about 10 to 15 feet, or you can say a 3 to 4 meters over there as mentioned. And it has got a format output of MP3 audio format. Okay. So now friend, let us see how we can connect this. So that is very important, how we can connect this. So let me first explain you how to connect all the positive terminal. So starting from a this all the ICs over here online. It is available everywhere over here. Okay, so you can order and just connect as I have shown you. If you are getting any problem, please comment in the comment box over there. I will try to solve your problem. Okay, for more technical videos like this, please my dear friends, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.